Hello YouTube, probably the last fan shit for today because it's getting dark out. This is a 1981 Hunter original with black reverse there. This fan's been in pretty good shape actually. Nice and smooth, the bearings are silent. The brackets need a little bit of TLC, just some cleaning. You can see it takes quite some force to adjust them. Besides that, the blades are actually starting to rot. You can see some green patterns into it. It has a 1 foot down rod, which is why I left the C17 up here just so I could test this right next to it. Like I said, I'm going to be doing quite some work on this. This one will probably be more one of the recent projects I finish up, just because there's not really much to it. So either way, let's go ahead and start this fan off on low. It's a 2-speed fan. Like this does have the adaptair brackets. Adaptair and reverse here tend to be a little bit slower than the C bracket. Mainly has to do with pitch, but it's still a very good runner. So there's your low / medium speed. Let's go ahead and go to high. Adapter is good in the middle. Still moves a lot of air though. I know C brackets definitely seem like they go a little bit faster than this. Reverse air goes slower than this. So it's usually how it works. These motors are always kind of odd. Most of these tags say 1.9 amps, but they never draw that much. This one's only drawing 1.5 amps. I mean, I've tested some with C brackets and some with reverse air, and they've never come close to 1.9. So, it's kind of an oddball thing, but it runs pretty good. You can see one of the blades is a bit out of clock. So, like I said, I'm going to replace the blades. The brackets seem like they're okay, just the blades are a bit out of whack. Overall, though, it's a super clean fan. I have a black switch plate for the bottom here. This is a metal bottom one, which is nice, and the campy is there. So yeah, you spin down on this guy. This will be the last video for today. I do have another fan I have to test, but I got to work on that. I got to cut the down rod down and hook it up. I haven't gotten that far. Luckily, I've got plenty of 36-inch blades. Actually, here's what I'll end up using. Got a spare set of pecan ones right here that just have brass brackets. So, yep. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys.